Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to What's Rakesh Up To. So you joined me early in the morning in Coorg. It's around 9:30 a.m. and yeah, this is the third time I'm coming to Coorg in a month, I think. I mean, you guys should have seen all the vlogs. So there was sudden plans and we had to come here by in the middle of the night. We came here by 2 p.m. and then so this is where we've stayed. We have like all 15 of us who have come here for a weekend, and so this is the place. This place is like very nice and kick-ass. So you have a lot of greenery everywhere. So yeah, so let's see. I don't know how much I'll vlog. We're gonna be here for 2 days. I'll try and make just one vlog because too much of Coorg, and if there's something that's different and you guys have to see, I will show it to you. So stay tuned. This is the front side of our room. This is the view, and the parking is somewhere there. So you go down there, there's parking and the kitchen and everything. So yeah. So guys, going to the waterfall. We have to hike for another 2 kilometers. So wish us all the best. Yes. Whoa. Mahesh, allondu tower nodi Mahesh, watch tower hill mele. So weather just changing second by second, and I don't know how I'm gonna climb it back, but I got my umbrella just in case if it rains. But yeah, so this is an all boys trip, and it's been a lot of a fun time till now. So whoever knows me well, you know who this is. This is my boss. He's the guru. He's the healer. He's the father of the gang. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂತು ಬಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಿಣಿಯವರೇ, path got narrower and narrower. So boys are seeing some. ಏನು bro ಇದು?
ಬಾಸ್ ಏನೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ.
Boss, ಏನು boss ಇದು?
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಮಚ್ಚ.
Boss, what is your thesis on this? Gide will check all the leeches near the ಇದು waterfall.
Leech ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೋ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ನೋಡೋಣ.
So we have a path that is really damp.
ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲನಾ?
ಬಾಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡು ನಡೀರಿ ಬಾಸ್.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ
ಬಾಸ್ ಹಸು ಇದೆ ನಡೀರಿ ಬಾಸ್. ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಮಿಲ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಗುದ್ಗಿದ್ ಬೇಡಾತು. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬಂದೆ ಬಾಸ್. ನೋಡು ಯಾವುದೋ ವಾವ್ ಗಿಣಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿನಗೈತೆ ಮಜಾ ನಕ್ಕನ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಜಾ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಜೈ ಹೋ. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see. This is proper. Right ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. I'm scared of these bulls, man. I don't know when they will charge, so I'm just a little careful. I'm really careful here. So I hope you guys like the drone shot. Again guys, it's too risky and dangerous to fly near water or trees like these. So do like the video, do like the efforts. I'm going to the other side. It's a bit tricky. So that is the guy from the homestay. He's come with us. So all the boys are already in the water taking a dip. So I'm just going there. This is exactly like Jurassic Park. So, yes guys, this is the view. So all packed up, we are leaving this beautiful place. So as I showed you, the hike is not easy. So we all the car is quite far from here. I have to be careful and vlog. So please like the video guys. ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಥ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು. Just say bye to this place. Let's go. Lot of leeches, man. I have to go near my car and check for leeches. It's a proper leech infested region, this one. So all are making it, all are crossing the river. We had a nice fun here, man. We took so many photos. Everyone took like hundreds of photos of themselves in the falls.
ಲೀಚು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟಾ?
ಯಾ ಬ್ರೋ,
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡಿ. fun crossing this river. The water is damn clean now. Just look at the sun hitting everything here. Okay, that's the last of the falls. Let's head back to the car and the homestay. Looks like tea alwa? Tea na ido? Doesn't look like it, bro. We're just debating whether it's tea or something else. Electricity pole. Nice. I'm just leading the way because I know I'll stop somewhere for a long time if I get tired. So made it back to the cars. Now back to the room.